Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. In this lesson, we're going to find the value of this expression, 6 minus 4 times 6 minus 4. Ready to solve it? Let's get started. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Then again, 6 minus 4 equals 2, and 2 times 2 gives us 4. But that's not correct. That's because of the PEMDAS rule, the order of operations. In the PEMDAS rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stand for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we first handle parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally, addition and subtraction from left to right. So, in this problem, we first do the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, 6 minus 4 equals 2. Now our expression becomes 6 minus 4 times 2. Next, according to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So 4 times 2 equals 8. Now we have 6 minus 8, and that equals negative 2. So the correct answer to this problem is negative 2.